Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing this slick back ponytail. I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram and I'm like, I want to try it and see if I can slay it because, you know, I struggle with baby hairs, but I think I did pretty good this time. So if you want to see this look, keep on watching. And by the way, I filmed all this on my iPhone. Just let me know if the quality is okay. I don't know if the wind is super loud, so I'm outside trying to switch up the scenery and stuff. But yeah, I wanted to film this all on my phone because my phone has pretty good quality, so hopefully it's okay. Let me know in the comment section if it is or if it isn't. But let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to start off with Giovanni styling foam in my hair. I'm just going to use a whole bunch of products because I want my hair to be as slick as possible. So I'm going to slap that on. Side note, you're going to see a lot of double chin and a lot of my arm. This probably wasn't the best angle, but I'm like, oh well, it is what it is. You know, not everybody has perfect angles, like every angle. So, you know, I look completely different from the intro to now, like catfishing 101. No. So I'm just putting the foaming in my hair, the foaming styling foam or whatever it's called in my hair. And then I'm going to use the Eco Styling Gel. Like I'm going from a lighter product to a thicker product. I don't know if that's how it works, but that's what I did. And then I'm just going to put a crap ton of gel in my hair, focusing on the edges because that's where my hair curls up since it is a little bit shorter on my edges. So I like to focus on that area, and I'm just going to keep slicking it back. By the way, I did get my hair wet in the shower, and I kind of manipulated my hair backwards in the shower just so that I could start the process of slicking my hair back. See, look at all that arm in the camera. So I'm using the brown brush to start slicking it down because before I was just using my hands and now I needed the brush. The brown brush is like a harder brush. You want something firm so that your hair can be super slick. So now we're going to use that Got To Be and Got To Be plays no games. You can lay a wig with this stuff. You can spike your hair. It's really good for slick back styles. So I'm going to spray it all over my hair and then use my hands to slick my hair back, and then I'm going to start brushing my hair. I just keep adding product and brushing just so that I can get my hair as slicked down as possible because I do have 4A hair, I believe it is, but I just need something so that it will slick my hair or tame my hair. And now I'm just putting it in a ponytail, and then I twisted my hair and I put it into a bun. I didn't show that part, but that's what I did. You'll see my hair in a bun right there. So now I'm going to add some side curls because I'm trying to be cute or whatever. And then I added some gel to the curl just so that it could be set and it won't move anywhere. I'm going to try to hold this style for 2 days. That's why I'm adding so much product. I'm going to try because literally I'm not going anywhere this day, but I have work the next day, so I wanted to wear this style tomorrow. So those are my 2 curls, and now we're getting to the baby hairs. I'm going to be concentrating so much. As you guys can see, I'm already concentrating like hecka strong because baby hair is not my strongest aspect. I'm not strong at making baby hairs, but I'm practicing because I want to be good. I want to be laid all day, every day. So I am trying to slick down some baby hairs. And baby hairs help me a lot because my forehead is metro booming. So anything helps to cover it up. So I'm doing more on the side. As you guys can see, I'm using the Giovanni edge control. It is a natural edge control. I don't know if it's the best. I won't say that it is because it doesn't really hold my baby hairs all day, but I did add some Got To Be on top of that so that it will hold all day because the Giovanni just doesn't cut it for me. This is the first time I'm using it because I really like Giovanni products, but it's like like it's good to like get the hair down, but it's not going to last you 24 hours. So just an FYI, and I'm just touching up all my little hairs. There's a gray hair right there, trying to like cover that up real quick like. And I got that edge control brush from Amazon. I mean, they're everywhere nowadays, so you can get them anywhere. Like you could even use a toothbrush at this point. You don't need to have an edge control brush, but it's just nice. So this is what my little baby hairs look like. It's whatever. Let me know how I did in the comments. So I tied it down I used a edge scarf and also just a regular silk scarf to tie down my hair. This is a couple hours later. You see that? Okay, it's laid a little bit. It's laid. I see it. And now I'm going to show my edges. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Swimming. Not really, but she tried it. And my little curls kind of like lifted, but I was like, whatever. Because I don't know why it's like pointing to the left, but whatever. So I'm going to use this drawstring, however you say it, little ponytail. I bought this so long ago and I never used it because I was like, I don't know, it is synthetic, but this time I feel like it worked so good. I love it in the lower ponytail. It's just so cute. I don't know why I haven't worn it. I'm definitely going to wear it to work tomorrow, so get into it. Like, it's super cute. Like, I'm living for it. So now I'm tightening the drawstring. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. You get what I'm saying. I'm tightening it up in the back, and I'm moving the elastic around the ponytail so it'll stay on and won't fly away, and I won't be chasing my ponytail down the road. So that is the hair. Okay, I was like, okay, I'm feeling it. This is cute or whatever. And I don't know. I just think it's super, super cute. It did blend in with my hair. I believe the color is a 1B. You can see my bra digging into my shoulder. Big boob problems. The struggle is real. Dana look like it's so painful. Anyways, let's cover it up with some hair. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to show you the side view, the back view, all the views. It's just super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and all that good jazz, because I love talking to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.